So, the day after this hilariously bad crash and the absolute idiocy of Friese, and nothing has happened. No fines, no penalties, no disqualification, or anything. And this wasn't even the first person he hit. That happened in race 2 on the third corner. This is race 1 where he straight lines into Shimoda, and later that race he hit him too.
I mean, I was super heated after that second one. I had an AMA in the truck, and I'm like, you guys got to do something, you know? And I mean, they're just assessing. They assessed the situation, and he was back on the line. And yeah, I mean, I don't know. I'm not AMA. That's up to them, but I feel like probation doesn't really do anything to riders. So we'll see. It's frustrating, but I can't do anything about it now. It's done, over with. And
that view too shows how far Christian Craig actually flew. I mean, he almost hit the outside retaining wall. And then you have this, Craig just, a little bit of payback, but looks back and says, that's how you do it. If you're going to pass hard, you don't take each other out, and you just move on. It's pretty crazy to me that Friese did what he did.
Super frustrating, but I've had so many encounters with him, and it's like I'm always on the other side. Like 1 year at Monster Cup, he cleaned me out and broke my hand, and nothing happens. And then this happens, we're wide open in a sand corner, and he comes out of nowhere and clip bars, and I go flying into, I think I almost hit that wall. So I think something needs to be done. I think it's it's dangerous. That should not be done. It's one thing when he's faster and he's trying to pass people, but when someone's trying to pass him, it's dangerous. He's cross-jumping people. He's doing what he did to me tonight. So, yeah, I'm very sour about it.
Now, don't get me wrong. I'm all for close, tight, rubbing is racing, but not this. Not if you watch these the replays of this. He full on his front wheel only comes to Christian Craig's foot peg. It's just incredible that can happen, and no penalties, no fine, no nothing. He might get probation or something, but we all know probation in this kind of stuff is absolutely useless. But tell me in the comments below, do you think it was as dirty as it looks? Do you think it was intentional? Do you think he's just an idiot and he doesn't know what he's doing? Whatever it is, tell me in the comments below, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.